Could it be that Eminem is being lured into the fray of the ongoing Drake beef? Is Metro Boomin attempting to rally the rap god to his side against the Canadian sensation? This is a narrative that's been unfolding, and today we're going to delve into the details. The narrative begins with Drake, who, if one looks at the landscape of his lyrical battles, seems to be at odds with a number of artists. Kendrick Lamar, Future, Rick Ross, The Weeknd, and Metro Boomin are all figures who found themselves in the crosshairs of Drizzy's verses. However, not all is against Drake in this complex web of hip-hop rivalries. He's been able to secure some heavyweights in his corner. Rap veterans such as 50 Cent, The Game, and Birdman have all indicated that they're backing the Canadian prodigy, yet the plot thickens. Some on Twitter speculate that Metro Boomin, the producer and DJ, is attempting to balance the scales by recruiting Eminem to join the anti-Drake coalition. Boomin reached out to Eminem, who has a new album set to drop this summer, with a tweet suggesting they lock in at the studio. Eminem's response hinted at a possible alliance, likening Metro's proposition to grouping with the Avengers. It's no secret, Eminem has always been a fan of Kendrick Lamar, suggesting he might be open to Metro's proposition. Yet, he's also expressed admiration for Drake in the past, making it unlikely he'd align against 50 Cent, a known ally of Drake. The situation is rife with speculation and intrigue. It's suspected that Eminem may choose to remain neutral in this saga, or perhaps, in true Eminem fashion, target everyone equally with his lyrical prowess. So, to summarize the main points, Drake appears to be in a lyrical beef with several artists, with Metro Boomin among them. To counter Drake's support from big names like 50 Cent, The Game, and Birdman, Metro Boomin reached out to Eminem, hinting at a possible alliance. Eminem's response was cryptic but intrigued, leaving his stance in this beef uncertain. This is the chronicle of a potential beef that could change the dynamics of the hip-hop landscape. Whether Eminem enters the ring or sits this one out, the anticipation is palpable. Will he side with Metro Boomin and his allies, or will he blaze his own path? Only time will tell. As for now, we'll keep our ears to the ground, waiting for the next beat to drop in this unfolding hip-hop drama.